Hey y'all, those were my two kids. They wanted to help me with this unboxing today. Actually, that's their first time being on my channel, period. But yeah, so give them a hand clap. But anywho, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I'm not gonna do a full review today. I just wanna give you the, I guess, first impression of this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna start with a little peeling action here. Ooh. Stuff is pretty sturdy here. All right, a little ASMR. Oh, I almost dropped it. Okay, look. I went to Best Buy a few days ago, so I've seen it in person, but I don't know. It's just something different about having your own. It's so cute. If you don't have this phone, I will say if you're getting it for the pink, because a lot of people are getting it for the pinkness of it all. It is pink, but it's a more purpley pink. So just so you know, in person it's pink, but it is more of a slightly purple tint to the pink. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this peeled. First flip. I've been waiting for this. This is like probably the main reason I wanted, well, not the main, but one of the main reasons I wanted it was so I can get the satisfaction of the snap. There we go. But yeah, so there it is, guys. And like I said, I'm gonna come back and do a full review. Oh wait, there's one more little thing to peel off here. There we go. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna come back and do a full review of it. So far, just fresh out the box, I'm so excited. It is super cute. If you love pink, or even I guess if you love purple, because honestly, it's giving a little bit of lavender, to be honest with you, in person. But if you're a pink or a purple girly or guy, I don't know, I would say go ahead and check it out. I can't wait to come back for the review. All right, thanks for watching.